I wanted to clean up this grungy grout, and I tried the natural way with baking soda, peroxide, vinegar, and it still looks pretty grungy. So I went to my mineral spirits, and I'm going to show you how this cleans up. Cut up some t-shirts, put on my gloves, and here we go. You can see it doesn't take long to make that much brighter. You'll find this isn't perfect, but it sure looks a lot better. I just kept re-wetting the t-shirt, worked in small spaces, going over the same area until it's clean, throwing away the dirty t-shirt and getting a new square, and then wiping everything off when it's done. It's still a little tacky, but it was tacky beforehand, which is why it's so dirty, so at least it looks better.